now at least, yeah. So welcome everyone to our episode 11 of Copy Power Session and Ittifaq series. And today we have our guest speaker as Harish Iyer. And as mentioned in my teaser video, Harish and I worked in an organization way back in 2004, probably 15, 16 years back. And we've been friends since that time. And in between we lost connect. And it's a coincidence, Ota, we met again in a metro and I met him along with his wife, and it was a surprise for all three of us. And I'm glad that we met again. So he was used to work with me, but not in the same team. He used to be my cab mate as well, and right. And we had a big circle of friends in cab as well. And to tell more about Harish is a seeker for learning. Basically, उसको यही लगता है कि how much ever he learns, वो कमी है, कुछ ना कुछ और नया है सीखने के लिए. So the more
Absolutely.
he gets to, that's a tagline also that we generally use. The more he learns, he realizes that less he knows, right?
Yeah.
That's
Absolutely.
what
You're right.
typically Harish is all about. I mean, I can vouch for that because I keep hearing all those things that he wants to learn something new or the other. Yeah, whenever we talk, something comes up as new thing only. So I'm asking Harish to say hi to all of you now so that he can introduce himself to you guys as well.
Yeah, hi, this is Harish here. I've known Smita for, as she said that, we know each other for almost 15, 16 years, and then, we lost connect. And then it was a pleasant surprise, when we met, both of us, my wife and Smita, we all met, and then it was a pleasant surprise, and it was very good to see back Smita for a long time, and she was as cheerful as she used to be. So never ever I felt that a little bit of drop in her happiness. She the way I had known her in those days in my when we used to work in the same organizations. So I'm glad, Smita, and I am sure. I mean, we have been able to kind of remain in touch on and off after that meeting. So thank you very much. I must say that you've been able to spare some time, and then and one thing which if I can talk, Smita, I know this is an introduction, but then I mean, one thing which I really liked about you is that the amount of energy that you carry with you, to remain connected with your friends and the known people. I learned a lot of things. I'm not no closer to the kind of friend circles and the network that you have. This is something that I have never. I was very bad at it, but then yes, I mean it's all a personality, right? So, but one thing that I'll be making sure that I'm going to be expanding my friend circles in the years to come, the months to come.
So Harish, you probably know me as a bubbly, chirpy girl from a long time. So yeah, I have a good network of people, and probably one of the reason I'll tell you why I have this network is also because people bring me joy. So I love connecting with people, and I love to know about them basically. So basically, I feel there's magic in everybody. I mean, there's something to learn. So probably I look for those attributes. I don't look for those negative traits. सब में flaws होते हैं, खुद में भी होती हैं. But when I find something good, I just go and tell them also. बोलना नहीं चाहिए कि उसमें ये अच्छा है या उसमें नहीं है. I go and tell people also कि अच्छा, because अगर किसी के जाने के बाद कुछ अच्छा बोलना, किसी के मतलब गुजर जाने के बाद बोलना या किसी के सिटी छोड़ने पे बोलना या when people move out of your life, then you tell that good things about them after they're not part of your life. It's no point. It's better to tell good things about them when they're with you. How short
I know,
and it's better to do that. So maybe that's one of the reason that network has grown. So for me, it's like a family. So for example, I have friend circle in Bombay as well as Bangalore, and thanks to you for introducing Bombay to me. Basically, when we used to come in cab and all, we used to share a lot of stories about Mumbai. But I never visited Mumbai at that point of time. My first visit happened in 2007 on a Diwali. I visited Mumbai. So yeah, I shared that connect of Mumbai Connect also with you because of you. And Sarita basically used to talk about non-stop nonsense about Mumbai, right? The chai time session, chai time talk. I think probably you are having a tea now also. So yeah, it's a tea time session for us. And chai is used to be the one point of connect for us as well, right? Sham ki chai ke hum jate the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
So
those were the days, I still remember those are still fresh in my mind. Those time that we used to spend, that, the time that we used to take out from our busy schedule and then go for a tea or break. We laughed. We laughed.
yes,
We enjoyed those moments.
absolutely.
And you know what?
So
One
the
thing which really
probably by
about my personality, if I have to say, is that I don't forget these moments. I never ever forget these moments. I still those memories from my childhood, which I relish. Those are something that we're still attached, emotionally connected with those memories. And I think that's one thing. You talked about. If I have to say that, what is one thing keeps me moving is those memories. you know
mm,
you
memories.
kind of recollect those memories, and it makes your day. It makes your day. It makes your life. And whenever I'm kind of little down, little sad, I look, take out, a few of those memories from my bag, and which I kind of stored them, somewhere. I just pick one of them, and then it's like the energy is back in me. So
Mm,
seriously, I mean, you don't have to look outside for these, energies or these, this motivation. You look it in yourself. You look back your life. There will be some moment in your life which will give you that motivation, that confidence, and I mean, our association with you, Smita, and then other friends from our companies. Really, those memories will stay forever.
yeah, probably us, Shivani, Sudha, just to name Shriram, Prakash, and Mahesh. I think probably that gang of six, seven of us in that cab was used to be awesome gang. So my father used to remember you guys. My grandmother, she's never seen somebody going in a cab. So when probably when I met you guys, I was very new to the corporate circle, corporate career basically, and
Uh-huh.
the cab used to come and pick me up, and you guys used to say bye to her, and she used to remember कि ये तो बहुत बड़ा privilege है कि गाड़ी आके लेके जाती है किसी को ऑफिस के लिए. So those, and she remember those times. She's never seen that, and she probably had come to
Okay.
stay with us for 3 months, and I think she always remember that good times as well. That yeah, पढ़ लिख के कुछ अच्छी नौकरी मिलती है तो you get to do all those things as well. So
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. I mean, those were kind of privileges that were offered by and I really respect those. I mean, I really, I mean, just because of those organizations and those opportunities that we got in my life, at least, uh, I cherish those moments. I respect those organizations. Uh, I, I mean, I definitely like, still my first job. I still say that, that's the start point. Never in my life I would have ever imagined the amount of travel that I've done, the amount of exposure that I've got, the global exposure, the amount of experiences that I've got wouldn't have been possible, if I had not got that opportunity in those organizations.
Absolutely.
I mean, all thanks to those, my seniors, my mentors, my supervisors, and the organization as a whole, the team that I used to have, and of course that cab was, of course, I mean, if I have to see that there was even in that moment that we used to spend about 30 minutes, back to office or to office, back and forth. I think there was some relationships that we were able to build, right? I mean, we were able to sort of share our knowledges. We were able to share our, happiness. We were able to share each other's views. So I don't see that just travel as a travel. We build a community. We build a bond within each other. It's still going on. I mean, we are still connected, right, with Sudha,
It's an
Smita.
emotional bond, I think. Probably it's an emotional bond that we all have with each other,
Absolutely,
basically. So we can pick up the
absolutely.
phone and speak to each other at any point of time. We are there for each other. That's what.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And
So you,
the group members were pretty excited, isn't it, when you
yeah,
said,
yeah.
we
You told
both are
them that
coming onto the show.
you told them that you're coming for Kapi Poha, and also that's, and the name for Kapi Poha is because I mean, Poha comes from Mumbai and Kapi comes from Bangalore for me. So these are the two cities because of which I am a foodie as well. That everybody knows. So probably that apt
Yes,
name for the chat show basically. So yeah,
yes,
you are a
yes.
great inspiration for us as well because I have seen you. I mean, you're an enthu learner basically. That's one of the reasons, and also you have traveled across a lot of places and still humble, grounded. and something, I mean, we can relate to you very quickly also. If anybody walks up to you, you're just as friendly as to them, to any if it is to any other person as well. So probably that is one of the
Yeah.
reason I wanted you to come on the show and share how did you develop this habit of learning every time something new or the other. And to give you a brief background, so Nimitam we started last year, okay? It's about life
Mhm.
skill education for youngsters basically. So we just wanted to do workshop for them. But if I go and tell them, go in a workshop and tell them stories or just give them those PPTs, they will not understand. Once they listen to the stories of people who have been part of your life, they'll be able to relate basically. That's one of the reason I
Okay.
wanted that I call my people as heroes and sheroes of my own life. So if they come and they share
Wow.
their journey, and they can their journey is an inspiration. So it will be an inspiration for these youngsters as well. So that's the concept why we came up with Nimitam as well. And the chat show basically I couldn't do workshops because of this COVID times, and virtual sessions were not something which I was keen to do. So that's why I thought let's start with these chat shows basically. कुछ तो शुरू
Wonderful,
करना है तो
wonderful. Very inspiring.
one of the baby step basically. One of the baby steps we've taken for this venture.
Wow.
Next is Abhi.
I
I'm working. Hmm.
yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, next I'm working on the website for this. So these stories I want to publish in the website as well, so that it comes out that this is what people are there for, and they are that's the life mantra they, and which let them live their life to the fullest as well. So that's one of the reason. So ये stories आती हैं और ये stories वहाँ पे publish भी होंगी. So that's the next step basically. So
But
yeah,
what
so
is this?
let's.
How Smita, the Smita that I knew, 15 years back, what is this transformation? I mean, this is so inspiring for me. I mean, I could have never imagined Smita like, those days when we used to sort of, share the cab journey and all. This is very inspiring. I mean, this. I mean, a book can be
So
written on
कुछ
this, by the way. I mean, from
stage
where you
मालूम है
were. I
तो
mean,
अभी वो
it's
लिख चुकी हूँ. Basically you meet people teach you a lot of things basically. I'm living my
okay.
life, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. If you start living your life, automatically things open up for you have to, I mean, I do things which makes my heart flutter. That's my life mantra basically, and I always believe जो हो गया वो जो कल है वो बीत गया, जो आने वाला कल है उसका पता नहीं. So जो हमारे पास है वो आज का पल है. So just enjoy your moment, that's it.
Probably, I think that's the reason we are able to connect with each other, emotionally. I mean, whatever it is, that's a common factor if I see between you and me, especially, and the other folks that we have, within the group. I think we are able to establish that we connect very quickly, and then we were able to sort of share our emotions, and so that's a basic common factor which connects all of us. I think that's a very wonderful thing. And Smith, I'm very very happy to see what you're doing for the society and what you're doing for yourself. I'm really touched, by the way.
मुझे भी अभी it's just a start. I don't know where this journey is going. I'm enjoying the journey. That's all. Destination का मुझे अभी भी पता नहीं है. But anyway, I've
Yeah.
started it off. Let's see where it goes. Basically, I'm
All the very
enjoying.
best. All the very best.
Thank you so
All the
much.
very
Yeah,
best for all the endeavors.
yeah. So थोड़ा सा अब it's time to start with some grilling questions to you. Basically, Harish, हमेशा.
Oh my God.
So tell us about your life mantra.
Keep it simple.
Yeah, simple है. It's just a normal chit chat only. So just want to know what's your life mantra.
हाँ, लाइफ मंत्रा तो क्या है मतलब अ, यही है कि लाइफ को जियो मतलब ये सोच के कि इट से दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी जो मिल रहा है उसको एंजॉय करो आई मीन
Hmm.
इट्स लाइक दिस लाइफ मंत्रा लाइफ जैसे कहते हैं जिसको you will get to have both the experiences, good and bad experiences, right? So
Hmm.
you take all the goods, you experience the bad as well, because unless you experience the bad, you will not be able to appreciate the good, right?
Yeah.
So experience both good and bad, and then learn from the bad. Whatever experiences that you had, uh, you know, uh, if there are any course corrections that you have to be done, you first of all, foremost, I always feel that I myself, which I always do this, practice myself. I admit my mistakes.
Hmm.
Wherever I failed, I admit those mistakes very honestly. I mean, I say that, yes, you were wrong in this. And it is not just me. I mean, that's the reason people, if you ask me, I don't know where it has come, but you know, regardless of, I cut across various ages, right? my elders, my peers in my organizations, the youngsters, and even kids. With my kids also, if I see that I've made a mistake, I apologize. I say ask for sorry. And what that helps me is that opens the door for me, because the moment you let the other person know that this person is open enough to come forward and admit his mistakes, I think that gives a lot of I would say that opens up a door to kind of connect with each other more in a better manner. So that's I have always been practicing throughout my life, that to admit mistakes, learn from it, and then move on. That's one mantra. And yeah, I mean, live your life, be respectful and be humble to others. That's my mantra. I mean, I don't
So
know.
yeah, it's a good one basically. Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah, I also because you've grown up in Mumbai basically, right? And just want to know how was it growing up here? Any favorite childhood memory of Mumbai and all?
चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी क्या बोलूं, मतलब मुंबई तो मुंबई है बॉस. ऑफ
I
कोर्स
know
हर सिटी का एक अपना एक वो रहता है ना, बट
vibe there.
मुंबई में चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज इज लाइक दैट. देयर वर नो बाउंड्रीज. टाइम
Hmm.
का कोई पाबंदी नहीं थी. uh,
Hmm.
जाओ खेलो बाहर, आउटसाइड, प्ले. घर पे आने का टाइम होता नहीं था. माय मॉम यूज्ड टू कम एंड ड्रैग अस. चलो भैया टाइम हो गया.
Hmm.
वी लव्ड, आई मीन, वी लव. ऐसा एक बाउंड्री नहीं था कि यहाँ नहीं जाना है, वहां नहीं जाना है. वी यूज्ड टू गो, आई यूज्ड टू गो विद माय फ्रेंड्स. वॉक, जस्ट वॉक, कीप वॉकिंग. पता नहीं था कि कहाँ जा रहे हैं, मतलब
Hmm.
एमलेस. जाओ, घूमो, खेलो. uh, those are the memories that I still have, and I think those are the things that, as I said, those are the things that keeps me moving. That's one thing. And if I may also add one thing which I also feel सैड अबाउट, कि आजकल के बच्चों को ये मौका नहीं मिल रहा. ये जो एक
Right.
तरीके का जो एक बाउंड्री हमने, मतलब ये मेरे ख्याल से हम ही ने ये सिचुएशन, हालात कह लो, सर्कमस्टांशियल कह लो, या एक सोसाइटी कह लो,
Hmm.
हमने एक बाउंड्री बना दिया बच्चों को.
Well,
आई कैन सी माई किड्स, बिकॉज आई मीन उनका एक ये हो गया है कि भैया इससे बाहर नहीं जाना है आपको. which I feel that as a parents, I don't know if I can share this, but as a parents, as a society, I think we need to sort of do something for this. I don't know what to do, but then as of now, I don't have an answer, but I think we should work towards that. बच्चों को एक मौका दो, let them open up, let them experience the world the way it is, rather than thrusting our thoughts, our ideas. जब तक बच्चे अपने आप में नहीं सीखते हैं, अपने आप में एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करते, उनका जो एक लर्निंग होता है वो टेम्पररी हो जाता है. यू नो सो
it's
आई थिंक,
overprotection also.
या दे गेट वेरी ओवर प्रोटेक्टेड. सो होता ये है कि फिर जब when they have to face the challenge in the world, that's the time that they really feel it very challenging. So
Absolutely. They
मेरा
don't
तो यही
feel
है कि
like.
कहना कि बच्चों को चाइल्डहुड का जो भी टाइम स्पेंड करना है, let them live their life as a childhood, because once it is gone, it is not going to come back, right? So very important, very essential.
So वही है ना कि क्लास में फर्स्ट होके लाइफ में नहीं फेल होना है. That's the only thing, right?
There you go. Yeah, in short,
That's
that I
that's
like
why
it.
that's the reason we focused on when I came back from my like travel and all those things, I wanted to do something, right? Start something. So that's why life skill came up basically. So life skill are very important. So they help you to cope up in life as well. So that
Yes,
you don't consider yourself as a failure. चाहे कुछ भी हो
yes.
जाए, people think
And
they're not enough. There are a lot of things people go through, that emotion of lack in them and stuff like that. So it's better if you're well equipped to meet those challenges and say that embrace those failures as well and move ahead. That's part of life.
oh yes, yeah, yeah. That's
So
what I
yes.
say. That no, be open to accept the failures. Be
Mm.
open enough, brave enough to say that okay. I mean, life may fail is also one component in your life. Success is there, but then embrace the failures, learn from it, and then move on. Because unless you fail, I mean, not necessarily, but failure is something that really brings a lot of learning in your life. And then it
Steps
gives you an
to get.
opportunity. yeah, I mean, it gives you an opportunity to, re-energize yourself, think, introspect. And मेरा तो यही कहना कि when you fail, you bounce back with a better one. So a failure should not be seen as a failure in its true sense. A failure is something,
It helps you come back.
it's something that you will give the best, end of the day. So,
That's true.
yeah,
So अभी life कैसी है चेन्नई में? So you back to south now. So your roots basically कहते हैं being from a
yeah.
um,
Yeah, I
अभी
mean,
क्या
मुंबई का लाइफ अलग है. इट्स अ टू टाइम जोन, राइट? वो जो
different?
था ग्रोइंग अप था चेन्नई, सॉरी बॉम्बे का, वो एज अलग था. वो एक एक टाइम जोन अलग था. अ, तब हालात अलग थी. तब हमारे जो एम्बिशंस और एम्स और जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और कमिटमेंट्स थे वो अलग थे. बट चेन्नई is equally good as well. There is a lot of things. I mean, culturally it's different. I mean, Mumbai, as we all know that, it's a contrast. But yes, I mean, things are changing in Chennai as well. पहले एक वो था कि चेन्नई को एक बोलते थे कि एक बहुत कंजर्वेटिव और एक बहुत क्लोज एक माइंडसेट होता है लोगों का. बट आई थिंक द न्यू चेन्नई दैट यू सी, बहुत सारे चेंजेस हैं. बहुत सारे जो एक एटीट्यूड है लोगों का, बहुत. एंड दिस इज बिकॉज आई वुड से दैट even in our country, people have opened up their thoughts. They have allowed these thoughts to, to see that, what's the other side of the world. So अभी मेरे ख्याल से चेन्नई is also kind of gearing up itself. it चेन्नई में जहां तक
I think it's a
पोटेंशियल की बात है,
culturally rich place. It's a very culturally very rooted जिसे बोलते हैं.
वेरी रूटेड, या वेरी रूटेड. बहुत सारे हेरिटेज हैं चेन्नई में, इफ यू आस्क मी. बहुत सारी चीजें मेरे को सीखने को मिली है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स, मतलब पोस्ट माय मैरिज, आई मीन फैमिली, माय वाइफ एंड माय किड्स, ऐसी सी चीजें मतलब चेन्नई में जो देखने मिली, जो आई वाज काइंड ऑफ नेवर एक्सपोज्ड इन मुंबई और द टाइम दैट आई स्पेंट इन दिल्ली. तो बहुत अच्छी चीजें हैं चेन्नई में. चेन्नई, कम टू चेन्नई.
So yeah, I've been there for a year almost. So I love that.
या,
Where I used to stay in Velachery, so I used to love that stay there. I stayed for a year there,
अच्छा.
and probably I did not was not there at the extreme the hot season. I think May June में नहीं थी मैं. I was in the part of August to December. So now is a good time there. I think so. Probably some
Yeah,
months are
it's a
really
good
good.
time. The
Yeah.
weather
So
is very pleasant.
Dakshina Chitrakala. There are a lot of places here. I think to.
Dakshin
I mean, I used to.
Chitrakala, yes.
That's that
Nice
OMR
place.
Road and the OMR Road and all those places. There are good places to go for a long drive. Even there's a French colony that Pondicherry is also really close by. I mean, just a drive away, not a very far away. So yeah, so I've experienced the best of Chennai as well. So for me, my favorite food there was Pongal. So
Oh,
if you
is it?
have your famous Pongal,
I never knew.
I
Mine is too. Mine too. I don't know. It's a coincidence. Pongal is my favorite as well.
So if you
Yeah.
have a brunch of Pongal, then you don't need any breakfast or lunch or anything. That's it. It's a heavy thing to have.
Yeah. Yeah.
And probably I associate different cities with food basically. So I'm a foodie, so I explore and I want to have. I actually like local cuisine, so that's the reason. So whenever I go to that city and if I like that food over there, then I just associate with that. कुछ अच्छा मिल जाए. So कुछ जगह होती है जब जाओ तो कुछ अच्छा ही नहीं लगता खाने को. मिलता है ये तो then
हाँ.
connect is not there. तो मेरे लिए bond is always food.
Yes. Yes. नहीं, अपने अपने लोकल cuisines होते हैं अपने, हर जा. I mean, I have the places that I visited. I try to kind of go for local cuisines rather than just sticking to your own, which you have been uh, you know throughout the years. उसमें एक अलग मजा है. And that's what I mean, you like it or not, that's a different thing, but then at least एक बार टेस्ट करके
Try
देखना
करना
बहुत जरूरी है. बहुत
बहुत
जरूरी है लाइफ में. चाहे वो खाना हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, कल्चर हो, जो भी है, जहां पर भी जाए. मेरा तो एक है कि अडेप्टेबिलिटी जो है बहुत मेरे अंदर बहुत ज्यादा है. तो मैं अडेप्ट हो
agile.
जाता हूँ. बहुत एजाइल हूँ और बहुत अडेप्ट कर लेता हूँ सिचुएशंस को. लोगों में बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, मतलब आई एम बीन एबल टू. आई मीन इनिशियल्स थोड़े वो रहते हैं रिजर्वेशंस. द मोमेंट आई ओपन अप, द मोमेंट, तो फिर तो खैर क्या कहने. सो दैट्स
बोलते
वन थिंग. Yeah, I mean, that's one trait, that one skill I think has helped me in overcoming a lot of challenges in my life, be it my corporate life or my personal life. ये एक adaptability जो है, एक तुमको एक constantly तुमको push करता है, it always pushes you to the extreme, saying that go for it, and it also gives you some fuel, and some energy to to face those challenges. नहीं तो क्या होता है कि आ, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि उसको फेस करने से डर जाते हैं.
Yeah.
ऐसे काफी सारे मौके हैं जो मेरे को हमेशा ऐसा लगता था कि अरे मैं कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा. तो but that the moment I kind of step into that, I found that it was very easy walk for me. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. मतलब there are list of things that I felt initially. I must have felt that okay, this is not my cup of tea, but then the moment I kind of take a plunge in that, then I really feel that I feel confidence, right? The moment you feel confident, that's it. I mean, nothing else. उसके बाद तो खैर तुम्हारा अपने हाथ में है सब कुछ. You gain command, you gain control of the situation. You can handle, maneuver the things the way you want it.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
tell me about life journey. I mean, your corporate, the job in corporate sector, and how has it been, your journey so far?
Corporate life, wow.
Corporate life, personal life. I mean, as a life as a whole. अभी तक जो journey हुई है, कैसी रही है? How do you find it? When you look back or look at your life as such, how do you feel?
लाइफ जर्नी अभी तो बहुत ज्यादा है मेरे पास. अभी तो मेरे खैर मुझे लगा कि मैं और 10 साल बाद सोचूंगा लाइफ जर्नी कैसे. बट क्या आई मीन, जस्ट ऑन अ लाइटर नोट, बट लाइफ जर्नी हैज बीन अ वंडरफुल. बहुत बहुत सारी चीजें. एज आई से, आई एम अ सीकर फॉर लर्निंग, राइट? लर्निंग. और मेरा एक हमेशा ये मानना है कि सीकर और लर्निंग में थोड़ा सा अंतर है. सीकर एक टेम्पररी होता है, वेयर एज लर्निंग is basically you understand the philosophy behind it, the concept behind it. किसी भी चीज को ले लो, आप सब्जेक्ट ले लो, डोमेन ले लो, या किसी कल्चर को ले लो, या हेरिटेज को ले लो, जहां पर भी जाते हो उस चीज को तुम अच्छे से समझो. उस चीज को तुम अगर you will be able to relate better the moment you understand it better. Be it a person, right? उस पर्सन को अगर तुम, if you are able to see through that person, अगर उनके अंदर झांक पाओ, तो there's so many things that you can learn from life. And especially in your case, Smita, I mean, I feel that I lost the opportunity. It's a lost opportunity for me. Had I known this side of your personality, I think I would have learned a lot of things from you, in the sense that बहुत सारी चीजें जो तुमने करी हैं, लिखना कह लो या ट्रैवल करना कह लो, या your attitude towards life, that is really inspiring for me. And probably I think ये चीजें मुझे पहले पता होता तो I would have been able to connect a lot better with you. बहुत सारे लोग हैं मेरे लाइफ में भी, जहां पर भी गया हूं मैं जर्नी मेरे, my mom, my dad, they were very inspiring for me. My friends, बॉम्बे में कह लो या दिल्ली में कह लो, they have been my mentors throughout my life. They have been guiding me. हमेशा. और मैं कैसा है मेरा, मैं जैसे कहता हूँ ना कि आई एम क्यूरियस टू लर्न. आई एम ऑल्सो ओपन फॉर सजेशंस एंड गाइडेंस. क्या होता है कि गाइडेंस से एक ये होता है कि यू गेट लॉट ऑफ गाइडेंस फ्रॉम पीपल, तुम्हारी जर्नी आसान हो जाती है बेसिकली, तो गाइडेंस तो हमारे यहाँ पे तो फ्री में बढ़ता है, वो अलग बात है, बट यू फिल्टर. हाँ, फ्री में बढ़ता है वो तो एकदम. तो बट द वन थिंग skill that I have been able to acquire is that I'm able to filter them. लोग तो आपको सलाह तो देने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं. Take that. Don't stop it. Don't put a barrier around it. You take everything that you receive. अगर आपको 10 मिलता है उसमें, तो you filter them out which is good for you. And that skill that I have been able to develop over a period of time has helped me a lot. Be it here domestically or internationally, or in every walk of my life, चाहे वो corporate life हो या चाहे. So I kept on learning, and that's one thing which really I don't feel bored. Learning is something, is is a endless thing in my life at least, and it should be in everybody's life. The day you stop the process of learning, I think that should be the last day. But till the time you're alive, keep open, yourself to various things that life has to offer, the people have to offer.
So we basically, I will believe in that philosophy कि learn, earn, learn and relearn. वो भी important है. Sometimes you have to unlearn also a few
अनलर्न भी
things.
है इसमें, मैं ऐड करूंगा अनलर्न.
So वो भी बहुत important है because होता है ना, हम अपने belief system, अपनी गलत आदतें, अपनी flaws वगैरह को हम unlearn नहीं करते हैं. Stubborn होते हैं या फिर we go behind those egos. It's important to unlearn as well, that of thing. And
Yeah.
you said that you saw a lot of things changes in me, but the thing is I went through my lows as well. I went through a very very low point to realize that एक ही life है यार, and I always say this is my second inning. And इस second inning में I do not want to waste life, and I feel life is magical. So life इतना important है, life रोज एक breath ले रहे हो, वही बहुत important चीज है. कल की सुबह देखने को मिल रही है, it's a miracle. So life
Yeah.
itself is a miracle. Every second people are losing life, and there's a lot
Yeah.
of births also taking place. But the thing is,
Yeah.
आप अगर आपके अंदर कोई breath बची है, तो there's a purpose for which you are still alive. So you should work towards
Yeah.
it. So find your own purpose basically. तो सबका कुछ और सब
Yeah, basically.
Success doesn't mean that earn so much of money. It's just that how you live your life. You should feel happy about your life basically. At the end of when you look back at any point of time. So my father used to say कि अगर आप गाड़ी चला रहे हो तो आप ड्राइवर सीट पे बैठे हो, स्टीयरिंग चला रहे हो, तो जो आपका लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस है वो यू शुड सी फ्रॉम द रियर व्यू. फिर आपको वो दिखना चाहिए. यू शुड टेक द रेफरेंस पॉइंट फ्रॉम देयर. जब आगे जा रहे हो, सो आगे जाओगे तो बारिश होगी, तो यू नीड वाइपर्स. सो पीपल डू दैट वर्क फॉर यू. People who come into your life, they're like wipers for you. They help you see your life with much more clarity. जो आपकी जर्नी आगे की है उसको देखने के लिए वो हेल्प करता है. सो दैट्स द थिंग विच आई ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड कि जो हो गया वो पीछे चलता गया. रियर व्यू, आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो तो हर चीज पीछे, रियर व्यू से आपको पीछे जाता गया, चाहे अच्छा हो चाहे बुरा हो. नथिंग इज गोइंग टू स्टे विद यू. सो दिस टू शेल पास. So वही है, everybody goes through their lows as well. So I have surprised myself past 2 years what I have gone through. I had a very different life. I used to be, I mean, 15-16 घंटे ऑफिस में रहना, focused on work. I mean, workaholic basically, and I used to love that because for me, my cultural events, my all events also used to happen in office as well. So I used to get that kind of circle, exposure, everything was there, and the kind of recognition and the work, everything was happening for me. So I did not have to look beyond. So my family and work was the most important thing. And once in a while, those trips or trips to Mumbai or with friends and all. But my father always wanted me not to go after money. He always felt that I am not experiencing life in true sense. And travel happened. When he left us in 2016, then travel happened. Probably I went through a lot of mindset changes, and I was going through a conflict within, whether it is individuality versus conditioning. Still, I have those conflicts, but in a lot of aspects, it has changed. So once you start opening up to the opportunities coming in your life and just start, जो हो रहा है होने दो, जो लोग बोल रहे हैं बोलने दो, बाहर में जाए दुनिया, जो लगता करो. So that's why the
Yeah.
attitude changes, and it's not disrespecting people, it's respecting people for what they're saying, but you also have something
Absolutely.
towards yourself. Yeah. So when you start looking from a different perspective, life को अलग तरीके से देखना शुरू करोगे, आप क्यों आए हो, क्या करना चाहते हो, और क्यों लोड लेना है यार. लाइफ सिंपल है, जी लो अच्छे से. किस चीज का लोड,
Yeah.
why complicate it? So
No,
another thing
I
I
agree with you. I mean, I see this, मतलब मैं ये ऐसा, I don't want to paint this in a bad, I don't want to paint this like हमारा जो society है, I mean, to large extent, I would say कि of course things are changing now. The kids, today's young generation is very smart. Today's young generation is very focused. They're very clear about what they want to achieve in life. But if I have to sort of, rewind, हमारा एक तरीक एक माइंडसेट था सोसाइटी में, हालांकि अभी भी है, काफी हद तक है, अभी पूरी तरीके से चेंज नहीं हुआ है, कि हमारे जो हम किड्स का ये होता था कि पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू थ्रस्ट their dreams on them. Parents used to thrust the societal pressure on them कि भैया आपको तुमको यही करना है. This is what the path is for you, for your success. This is what you should be aspiring for your life. हमने कभी, मतलब हमने उनके पेरेंट्स ने या जो भी हैं, उनको कभी ये मौका नहीं दिया कि उनका क्या है कैपेसिटी, उनकी जो क्या कैपेबिलिटी है, उनका क्या स्ट्रेंथ है, उनका क्या वीकनेस है, उनके क्या ड्रीम्स हैं, यू नो। मतलब जब तक आदमी, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि जैसे ही पैदा होता है उसके बाद बच, उनको तो अपनी तब तो होश नहीं होता, बट द टाइम दैट दे गेन कॉन्शियसनेस, दे बिकम मैच्योर, that's the time they kind of start dreaming what they want to achieve. And हालांकि हम हमारे टाइम में क्या होता है, ए यू वांट, ऐसा होता है ना कि तुमको एक तरीके से तुमको कंडीशन किया जाता है कि तुमको यही है लाइफ में अचीव करना है. These are the only avenues that you should be looking forward for. This is what you should be aiming for. आज का जो दौर है, आज का जो एक माहौल है, ऐसा नहीं लगता कि मुझे पेरेंट्स ने एक एक फ्रीडम दे रखा है, एक तरीके से एक उनको ये एक मौका दिया है, उनको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया है कि आप देख लो, यू आइडेंटिफाई योर सेल्फ कि तुम्हारा क्या स्ट्रेंथ है, तुम्हारा क्या कैरेक्टर है, तुम्हारे क्या वीकनेसेस हैं, तुम्हारे क्या ड्रीम्स हैं, यू नो। ये जब आप रिस्पॉन्स, इट्स बेसिकली ए पैराडाइम शिफ्ट, शिफ्ट ऑफ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज बीन नाउ फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स. मैं आई डोंट ब्लेम द पेरेंट्स ऑफ उन यस्टर ईयर के पेरेंट्स जो होते थे, उनका एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वो मानते थे, उसके लिए वो लोग चाहते थे कि उनके बच्चे अच्छा सक्सेसफुल रहे. आई डोंट ब्लेम देम आइदर, बट आज ये हुआ है कि दे हैव दिस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हैज बीन शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स टू द किड्स, इन अ प्रोसेस. एक उसका एक कारण है कि आज जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, इट हैज बिकम सो एक्सेसिबल. उस जमाने में
Yes.
बच्चों को इंफॉर्मेशन वाज ओनली flowing through the parents, right? Flowing through their elders
Yes.
and parents. Information आज के दौर में it has become so accessible. So the dependency on the elders or the dependency on the parents has been to certain extent has reduced. So बच्चे have become smart, but and people have, the smart kids have become very responsible also, you know.
Hmm.
And इससे क्या हुआ है, उनको पता चल गया है कि what they want to achieve in life and it's very clear focus. अभी एक तरीके से द थिंग विच रियली एक पैशन के साथ अगर कोई आप काम करो ना, आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर द सेटिस्फैक्शन इज. बिना पैशन के अगर, फॉर एग्जांपल, आई मीन आई डोंट वांट टू सॉर्ट ऑफ, एक आपने पढ़ाई तो कर ली, लेकिन आप जो रियल जिंदगी में आप अचीव कर रहे हो, वो आपकी पढ़ाई किया और उसके साथ जो आप प्रयोग कर रहे हो वो कहीं मेल नहीं है. टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स, व्हाट यू हैव स्टडीड एंड व्हाट यू आर अचीविंग एंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इन लाइफ. तो इसका आई फील इट्स अ मीनिंगलेस लाइफ, यू शुड ऑलवेज परस्यू योर पैशन, योर ड्रीम्स. जो आपका पैशन है, आई थिंक वी शुड ऑल्सो इन्वेस्ट, all of us, the youngsters, the all of us should spend some time, do some introspection कि what is your passion end of the day. हमारे हमारे इंडिया में आज एक कल्चरल शिफ्ट भी आना बहुत जरूरी है. The exposure which I got, going out of India, मैंने देखा है कि they are very clear and focused. उनको अगर कुछ करना है लाइफ में तो they pursue that, उनको वो फोकस रहते हैं और इसी वजह से वो एक सेटिस्फाइड कंटेंटेड लाइफ भी जी पा रहे हैं. हमारे इसमें हम लोगों को लगता है कि यार क्या सोचेंगे, लाइफ लोग क्या सोचेंगे, सोसाइटी क्या सोचेगी, हमारे फैमिलीज क्या सोचेंगे, हमारे रिलेटिव्स क्या सोचेंगे. तो हम एक एक बाउंड्री, एक दायरे में बंद हो जाते हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारा जो एक ड्रीम होता है वो वो क्लिफ हो जाता है, So, but yeah, I mean, things are improving. The good part is, I don't want to sort of, sound very this thing skeptic here. The good part is, हमारे यहाँ पर भी वो चेंज आ रहा है. जो यंगस्टर्स हैं, मतलब मेरा तो यही मैसेज रहेगा यंगस्टर्स को लिए कि टेक अ गुड, you know, be conscious of the fact that you guys have, I mean, they have got lot of opportunities. इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को आप कैसे लेवरेज करो, आप इस अपॉर्चुनिटीज को आप कैसे आप अपने बेनिफिट के लिए आप कैपिटलाइज करो, इसमें से आप क्या सीख पा रहे हो. द अर्ली दैट यू लर्न फ्रॉम दिस अपॉर्चुनिटीज, द बेटर फॉर यू, सो दैट इट बिकम्स लॉट इजियर फॉर यू टू pursue your dreams. It will become lot easier for you to achieve your dreams. तो मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ कि आज जो इंडिया का जो एक ग्लोबल मैप में जो आज इंडिया का एक जो एक स्टेटस है आज जिस तरीके से इंडिया के पास जो पोटेंशियल है, आई थिंक दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम एवर इंडिया कुड हैव हैड। ये जो मौका है, इसमें जितना हम एंजॉय कर सकते हैं, जितना हम इसको यूटिलाइज कर सकें, जितना हम इसको कैपिटलाइज कर सकें, आई थिंक इट्स अ बंडल ऑफ एनर्जी दैट इंडिया हैज गॉट, मेरा ये मानना है।
So yeah, Harish,
सॉरी, इट वाज अ लॉन्ग थिंग बट
no, it's good to know your thoughts as well, because people who are watching, they
या
also maybe have similar thoughts. उनके उनके अगर उनको लगता है कि ये मेल खाता है, तो then it's an inspiration for them कि यार उनकी जैसा भी कोई और सोचता है, तो they're not, everybody has their own thought process basically, वही है।
या
So, पहले के जमाने में ये था कि जो हमारे पेरेंट्स थे वो बेसिक्स के लिए स्ट्रगल करते थे। Now that struggle for basic
या
is not there, so that's a paradigm shift आता है। So
या
जॉब की नेसेसिटी, पहले अपॉर्चुनिटी कम थी, तो my father used to work for a company for 25 years. He worked there for 25 years. आज हम क्या 4-5 साल में चेंज कर लेते हैं, we take sabbatical also. So it's changing, the phenomenon, the paradigm shift ही होता जा रहा है, and opportunities हैं। वही आपके
या
ऊपर है कि आप क्या देखते हो, वही है ना कि आपको क्या दिखता है। जैसे अर्जुन को बोला गया, जब सबको बोला गया था कि आपको क्या दिखता है, किसने कहा बर्ड दिखता है, पेड़ दिखता है, अर्जुन ने कहा मुझे उस बर्ड की आंख दिखती है। Your focus
आग
is
दिख रही है।
clear.
एब्सोल्युटली।
That if the focus is very much clear, then और कुछ नहीं है, और that's it. फिर अपने आप रास्ता खुल जाता है। You should know your whys, कहते हैं ना, you should know your whys. How will you figure it out, basically. So coming back to life skills, basically. So do you think that life skills are important?
या ऑफ कोर्स लाइफ स्किल्स तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। एक नहीं, अलग की, आई थिंक वी शुड हैव मल्टीपल लाइफ स्किल्स, बिकॉज डिफरेंट लाइफ स्किल्स होना इसलिए जरूरी है मेरे हिसाब से कि टू मैनेज और फेस डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस इन लाइफ, सो हर सिचुएशन के लिए एक अलग लाइफ स्किल की जरूरत है। अडेप्टेबिलिटी एक स्किल हो गया, या तुम्हारा करेज हो गया, या हम्बलनेस हो गया, ह्यूमिलिटी टुवर्ड्स पीपल। यू नो हर सिचुएशन के हिसाब से तुमको लाइफ स्किल, और ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम कि ओके ठीक है, एक एज तक आपने एक लाइफ स्किल अक्वायर कर लिया, उसके बाद हर दिन, मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ कि हर नया दिन जो आता है तुम्हारी लाइफ में, इट गिव्स यू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लर्न डिफरेंट स्किल्स, डिफरेंट। आज जैसे मेरे को, मैं आई मीन जस्ट अबाउट रिसेंटली मैं कुछ चीजें ऐसे डिस्कवर कर रहा हूँ कि मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था ड्यूरिंग माय ग्रोइंग अप, और इवन ड्यूरिंग माय जब मैं कॉलेज में था। आज जब मैं बच्चों के साथ बैठता हूँ, तो जब वो पेंटिंग करते हैं या कलर करते हैं, तो मैंने देखा यार मैं भी अच्छा बना लेता हूँ ड्राइंग थोड़ा बहुत। तो मेरे अंदर ये, मैंने डिस्कवर नहीं किया था कि मेरे अंदर भी ये थोड़ा टैलेंट भरा हुआ है, कहीं ना कहीं छुपा रहा होगा, बट आई नेवर एक्सप्लोर्ड, आई नेवर एक्सप्लॉइटेड दैट टैलेंट, आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट रीजन, बिकॉज मैं कह रहा हूँ ना कि हमेशा एक कंडीशनिंग हो चुका था हमारे माइंड में कि तुमको यही परस्यू करना लाइफ में। हमारे अंदर बहुत सारे टैलेंट, आई मीन आई थिंक every single person, every human being will have loads of talents in them, I can never imagine any child which does not have any skills in them. कुछ में ज्यादा है, कुछ में कम है, कुछ में ये होता है कि it is the I would say parents responsibility to identify those talents. उनको उस टैलेंट्स के बेसिस पे एक्सप्लॉइट करो, उनका जो स्ट्रेंथ एरिया है उस पे आप काम करो। उस यू नो हमारे अंदर भी ऐसा है कि टैलेंट्स ऐसे छुपे। मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, एज इज नॉट अ बैरियर इन माय ओपिनियन। मैंने मैंने ये ऐसे ऐसे लोगों को देखा है कि जिन्होंने आफ्टर 40 आफ्टर 50 उन्होंने अपने जो टैलेंट्स हैं उसको उन्होंने काफी, कहीं ना कहीं बिकॉज ऑफ द सिचुएशनल सर्कमस्टांशियल reasons, they never exploited them, they never explored, or they never attempted to kind of pursue those passions. तो आज उनके पास जब मौका मिल रहा है तो they are exploring it, they are giving an attempt, which is a very nice thing, हमारे टैलेंट्स को कभी हमको सप्रेस नहीं करना है, मेरा ये कहना है। और मैं बहुत, आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट दैट एवरी सिंगल ह्यूमन बीइंग विल हैव सम ऑफ द अदर टैलेंट।
कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा।
मे वेरी, आई मीन किसी में, जैसे मैंने कहा कि कम है ज्यादा है, बट एवरी सिंगल पर्सन, ये अंदर झांकने वाली बात है। किसी को झांकने की जरूरत, कोई अपने आप में इतना टैलेंटेड होता है कि झांक पाता है, दूसरा नहीं कर पाता, तो उसका उनके जो पेरेंट्स हैं, उनके जो वेल विशर्स हैं, उनका एक एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनता है कि उनको दिखाओ कि तुम्हारे अंदर ये टैलेंट छुपा हुआ है, व्हाई डोंट यू नो काइंड ऑफ आप उसको क्यों नहीं देख पा रहे। तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, एंड इसीलिए मैं ये कहता हूँ कि यू शुड ऑलवेज बी सराउंडेड बाय विथ सराउंडेड विथ वेल विशर्स, जो आपके अच्छाई के लिए हमेशा आपको जो एडवाइस करें, फ्रेंड्स हो, फैमिली हो, एंड देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ मिक्स्ड बंडल ऑफ पीपल। ऐसा नहीं कि मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ऑलवेज remain in a circle of good people, there will be bad people around you, there will be, but आपका एक हमेशा ये रहना चाहिए कि कॉन्शियसली आपको गुड, जो अच्छे लोग हैं जिनसे आपको अच्छा एक सीख मिलता है, जो जिनसे आप सीख पाते हो, who really very true to you, no they want you to be successful, they want you to become something, उनसे आप सीख सकते हो, वो आपके लिए हेल्प कर पाएंगे आपके सक्सेस के लिए। आपने जो भी आपने आपका जो एस्पिरेशंस हैं, जो भी आपने सोच रखा है कि आप ये जीवन में कर पाएंगे, तो वो आपको एक मार्गदर्शन बन जाते हैं। दे बिकम काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन हु कैन दे विल गिव यू प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन कैसे करना है। टैलेंट को, मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ कि टैलेंट को कभी छुपाना नहीं, किसी भी तरीके का टैलेंट हो, को कुछ भी हो सकता है, कभी नेवर शाई अवे फ्रॉम योर टैलेंट। ऐसा नहीं कि टैलेंट का मतलब यही कि आप बहुत अच्छा म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजा रहे हैं, या टैलेंट का मतलब ये है कि आप ड्राइंग कर पा रहे हैं। टैलेंट हर किसी, एनीथिंग दैट यू डू डिफरेंटली फ्रॉम अदर्स इज अ टैलेंट, right? Anything which is not common, right? Which only few, which you think that you are best at, that's talent for you, right? So talent कोई ऐसा छोटा या बड़ा ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता। Anything that you do which otherwise others are unable, which is your talent, right? So ऐसा एक मेरा सोच है। तो टैलेंट का कोई वो दायरा नहीं है, ना कोई डिफिनेशन है कि इसी को हमको टैलेंट मानना चाहिए। ना हमारे एक सोसाइटी में बोलते हैं ना कि अच्छा गाता है तो टैलेंट है, अच्छा पढ़ रहा है तो बहुत टैलेंटेड है, अच्छा खेल कूद में है तो बहुत टैलेंट। हमने एक बाउंड्री बना दिया टैलेंट को, एक हमने एक कंपार्टमेंट बना दिया है। तो
We live
किसी
in
भी
our
तरीके का
boxes.
टैलेंट हो सकता है।
We live in boxes and we want to put people into boxes basically. The fluid in
Yes.
life, much better. Where the flow with life, so you will discover something or the other about you. That is a
Yeah.
uniqueness. Every individual is unique. सब में कुछ ना कुछ तो है।
Yes.
कोई नहीं है
कुछ
जिसमें कुछ कुछ ना है, कुछ नहीं। ऐसा नालायक भी बोले कोई तो उसमें भी कुछ तो है। मैं भी
है।
बोले नालायक में भी लायक तो है ना, देख ना हटा दोगे तो लायक भी है। So that's what I keep saying. No, nothing saying. There's nothing negative there. It's just a matter of time how when you discover it. You have to discover yourself basically. That's the only thing. It's a journey
Absolutely.
towards, and it's a journey. So you have to enjoy that journey. कोई कोई क्या कहते हैं, कुछ आपको कोई कोई गोल वोल कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि अपनी को ढूंढना है। It's a part of life. It happens.
Yeah.
और नेक्स्ट टाइम
Yeah.
इतना कुछ मतलब यू ट्रैवल अ लॉट, यू हैव यू क्या कहते हैं कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ के साथ यू हैव अदर हॉबीज एज वेल, सो डू यू गेट टाइम टू परस्यू योर हॉबीज? आई मीन अभी, सो व्हाट आर द अदर हॉबीज यू ट्राई टू डू?
हॉबीज क्या है, मतलब हॉबीज इज लाइक
आई नो यू
whenever
सिंग
I
अर्लियर,
get time.
अभी डू यू सिंग आल्सो नाउडेज? बिकॉज़ आई हैव सीन यू अर्लियर दैट यू यूज्ड टू सिंग, अब तो नहीं। अभी सुनना
अब
होता है
तो
कि गाना?
हाँ, मतलब हाँ नहीं, अब तो खैर वो ऐसा हो गया कि सिंगिंग में थोड़ा आई हैव टेकन अ बैक सीट, बट आई 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 यूज्ड टू सिंग, राइट? आई मीन इट्स लाइक आई एम नॉट अ लर्न सिंगर बाय द वे। सो
सेल्फ टॉट
बट एक
सिंगर।
सिंगिंग मेरे लिए हमेशा एक एक वो रहा है कि एक होता है ना कि you get some energy, so somewhere I was always very connected and very with music, right? So music is something, कुछ लोगों को something that really gives you that energy. So music ने हमेशा मेरे को एक एनर्जी दिया है। मैं थोड़ा वो क्या कहते हैं, एक कोई भी तरीके का म्यूजिक हो, ऐसा कोई वो नहीं कि हिंदी म्यूजिक, इंग्लिश म्यूजिक या कोई भी म्यूजिक एक एक यू नो सच एक तरीके से तुमको एक 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 मौका देता है कि भैया वॉट एवर यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड, वॉट एवर व्हेन यू आर, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर इन लो लो स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, दैट गिव्स यू एन अलार्म, राइट? कि भैया नो यू आई मीन एक एक तुमको यू हैव टू गेट अप, यू नीड टू सॉर्ट ऑफ यू शुड नॉट स्टॉप। सो एक म्यूजिक मेरे लिए हमेशा ऐसा रहा है। हमेशा जब भी मैं, मतलब मेरा तो एक हैबिट है कि when I'm low sometimes, so I start I listening to music because the immediate जो मेडिसिन बोलते हैं ना, कि immediately it shifts your thought process, so you come out of that, you come out of that distress, you come out of that stress, so you detoxify yourself, जो तुम्हारे अंदर इतने सारे जो it allows you to change your mind and uh, give a different look to the challenges, नहीं तो क्या होता है कि एक एक तरीके से आप एक चीज को, चैलेंज को एक तरीके से ही सोचने में जब मजबूर हो जाते हो, म्यूजिक अलाउज यू टू लुक दोज चैलेंज इन अ डिफरेंट वे। तो म्यूजिक हैज बीन वेरी क्लोज टू मी ऑल दिस इयर्स। या गाना तो मैंने खैर छोड़ दिया मैंने।
So let me come back to the last section. So ये थोड़ा surprise रहता है and it's just a fun element to add the fun element to the entire chat show. So you're true Mumbaikar मेरे हिसाब से, right? So I'm giving you names, okay? कुछ name बोलती हूँ, उसका हिंदी में नाम बताना. It's a name of local stations basically, okay? So just try it out, huh? Goddess of Wealth. It's a name of a local station. Goddess of Wealth. I'm giving you a name. You have to find.
महालक्ष्मी।
Okay, एक तो हो गया. Your head in the curd.
Your head in the curd. Okay, head in the curd. Curd, you said?
Curd.
दही, दिमाग का दही।
दही सर, स्टेशन का नाम है दही सर. So I'm giving you the names of the station.
अच्छा स्टेशन, ओ ओके मुझे लगा दिमाग का दही बना दिया।
तो पता होना चाहिए, हाँ?
अच्छा सॉरी, मैं भूल गया था ना।
चल ठीक है, अब अगला वाला. ब्रदर इनसाइड.
ब्रदर इनसाइड, भाईंदर।
ओके, नेक्स्ट इज
ये तो सिंपल है यार।
तो क्या, इट्स अ फन थिंग. ओवर द हिल्स. तो क्या कॉम्प्लिकेट करो ना पूछने की चीजें. ओवर द हिल्स,
ये स्टेशन है?
हाँ जी स्टेशन है.
अच्छा, ओवर द हिल्स, घाट के ऊपर, घाट के ऊपर।
अरे एक्सपर्ट हो. और नेक्स्ट वन इज ट्रैक्स इन द सी.
ट्रैक्स इन द
सी.
ट्रैक्स इन द सी, ट्रैक्स इन द सी।
एक तो गलत बोल यार.
समंदर, समंदर।
मरीन लाइंस स्टेशन का नाम यार.
ओ मरीन लाइंस, ओके ओके।
प्लेस ऑफ डार्कनेस. ये तो इजी
अंधेरी।
just लास्ट में I just keep this segment basically. कभी रिडल्स पूछती हूँ तो आज मुझे लगा तुम you're coming from मुंबई हम बहुत बोलते हैं, तो आज थोड़ा ये थोड़ा डिफरेंटली कुछ करते हैं. So that's why I thought these questions. So
yeah, I like it.
Yeah. अब just planning to end the show now. I had a great time talking to you. Just want to know if is there any message you want to convey to youngsters before we end the show? ये बहुत ज्ञान दे दिया.
ना आई थिंक नहीं, मतलब देखो यंगस्टर्स, मैंने जैसे कहा कि आजकल के जो यंगस्टर्स हैं बहुत स्मार्ट हैं, बहुत बहुत मैच्योर्ड हैं, बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबल भी हैं, और आई थिंक, आई एम श्योर, आई मीन व्हेन आई से रिस्पॉन्सिबल, they are responsible towards the elders, they are responsible towards the society. ये मेरे ख्याल से and responsible towards the environment, and ये बहुत जरूरी है आजकल के यंगस्टर्स के लिए. and I'm sure and I know for fact you know, all these youngsters are participating in all these areas, you know, in
Hmm.
one way or the other.
Hmm.
सोसाइटी कह लो या इन्वायरमेंट कह लो, एक तरीके से एक उनके अंदर एक they already are aware of this is create अवेयरनेस क्रिएशन की जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही है मेरे हिसाब से. इट हैज बिकम एक इजी हो गया है. हमारे टाइम पे ये था कि सॉरी आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट हमारा टाइम, बट देन हमको एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टुवर्ड्स बस एक फैमिली कहते थे, बट it goes beyond a family, right? As an human being, because if you are in this on this planet, your
Hmm.
responsibility is little wider towards the
Hmm.
society, towards the environment. तो जहाँ जब तक आप यंगस्टर्स को आप ये मैसेज मिल जाता है तब आई थिंक दे बिकम वेरी कॉन्शियस ऑफ दैट. एंड टू इज दैट हमेशा अपने गोल्स के ऊपर फोकस रहें और एंजॉय करें लाइफ को. तो यही मैं कहूँगा, और तो कुछ है नहीं. मैसेज क्या है, दे शुड एंजॉय द मोमेंट. दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक. एवरी मोमेंट इज सो प्रीशियस. एक चीज है कि ऐसा मान के एंजॉय करें, ऐसा उस मोमेंट से आप जितना निचोड़ सकें, चाहे वो जितना आप सीख सकें, सीख लो, क्योंकि एवरी सेकेंड इज प्रीशियस, सो मौके का अच्छा एक एक फायदा लीजिए. यही मैं कहूँगा यंगस्टर्स के. दैट्स नॉट अ मैसेज, दिस माय आई जस्ट थॉट, दैट्स अ थॉट दैट आई शेयर. मैं आई थिंक सो.
So yeah, so I had a great time talking to you, and it was a pleasure having you on the show. Convey regards to Gayatri and both your kids. Basically, I have not met them. Basically, the kids. I'll meet them when I will join back in Chennai. So, तब जब मैं आऊँगी Chennai, तो definitely I'll meet all of you together. So take care till then. And I just want to convey to the audience as well that we'll not be having a show next week. We'll be having a show on 9th October next. So I'm out of station for next week. And 9th October, I hope I am able to get another Mumbaikar for the show. Looking forward for another interesting chit chat session on 9th October as well. Take care, all of you, and enjoy your weekend. And thanks,
And thank you
Harish.
for inviting, Smita. It's been a pleasure, talking to you for a long time. And all the
Same
very
here.
best in
Thank you
whatever
so
you
much.
do. And thank you very much. And all the best. Take care.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.